Hello and very welcome to our Depence² tutorial series. In this video we will show you how to paint a material directly onto the terrain of the 3D world. For this we will use the Terrain Painter tool, which is located in the toolbar on the left. You can place up to 8 different material layers within the Terrain Painter tool. To place a new material in the tool, just go to the Library, Materials, Nature and Ground. Since we would like to design a lake-like terrain, we now choose some mud. Just drag and drop your material directly into the Terrain Painter tool. Activate the Paint tool. This will be indicated by the small icon right between your layers and your settings. To directly draw on the terrain, just click and hold your left mouse button. The first layer, automatically added to the terrain, will always be the grass layer by default. This layer will be placed as soon as you create your environment. Of course, you can delete the standard grass layer, but regularly you can just draw on another layer above and overwrite the current material. Let's have a look on the properties of the Terrain Painter tool. There are different settings for each layer. The color mix will multiply any RGB color to your layer. To that, the Roughness Offset represents the overall roughness of the PBR material. Use the Scale property to transform your layer to the right size, making it more natural looking. The limit options are perfect to create a natural looking scene. Use these particular parameters to create typical environment traits like mountain slopes or snow on mountain tops. Erasing your layer is very simple. Just click on the eraser mode of the painter and delete the area by clicking and holding the left mouse button. The Terrain Painter comes with a pattern mode, which lets you create predefined patterns in combination with your chosen material. By clicking on the filling icon, you will fill the currently selected layer with the activated material. In contrast to that, the clear layer function completely deletes the material from the active layer. Finally, let's have a closer look at the angle limits. For this example, we will choose a rock wall material and drag it into the Terrain Painter. Now fill the layer with the selected material. By changing the angle values, you now edit the layer in terms of creating a natural looking slope.